Hi dear students, today in this lecture I will guide you how can get Kubernetes Cloud Native Associate Practice and Discount Price. In this course you can get just $9.99. It's available just for you for 4 days. It is great opportunity. You can learn. There is 4 practice course, 60 questions. You can practice about the Kubernetes Cloud Native Associate, and it helps you to learn and enhance your educational level and next level. And next course I am going to offer you on discount price just $9.99 certified Kubernetes administrator. It is great opportunity. You can enroll in just 9.9. It available just for 4 days, and it is great opportunity to join it now. And they have 3 MCQs questions you can learn about it. And for third one is the certified Kubernetes application developer. It is great opportunity. You just can enroll at $9.99. It have great opportunities for you. You just enroll in these courses and learn about Kubernetes. If you have any query related this, you can ask me. Thank you very much. See you next video lecture.